Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. Today's lesson 4, language in context in unit 4. How good is your general knowledge? كيف هي معلوماتك العامة؟ يقول لي choose a correct answer, then check the answers at the bottom of the page. How many points did you get? هنا أعطيلي in this chart the points you get. If you get from 0 to 3 you are weak, your general knowledge معلوماتك العامة weak ضعيفة. If you got from 4 to 5 not bad, 6 to 8 good, and 9 to 10 excellent. Number 1, ice cream was invented. Who can answer this? Okay, Saif, do you know who invented ice cream? Okay, Saif, we hear you. Okay, Anas.
Chinese 4,000 years ago.
Okay, let's see your answer. Very good, Anas, thank you. And next one, the first camera obscura was devised. Devised means invented. And camera obscura, this is the camera obscura, the first camera. Okay, something like box for capturing photo. Okay, Muhammad Radwan.
By Hassan Kamal.
Let's see. It's by Ibn al-Haytham, not Hassan. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Number 3, surgical instruments, يعني الأدوات الطبية أو الجراحية that are still being used were devised, تم اختراعها. Okay, يوسف بكير.
E.
B
In
by
the
Ibn Sina.
10th, what?
By Ibn Sina.
E, لا, no. The E in the 10th countries.
Yeah. Okay, in the 10th century by Al-Zahrawi, al-Muslim surgeon. جراح المسلم الزهراني أو الزهراوي. Yes, it's E. Very good, very good, Yusuf, thank you. And number 4, the original solar cell. Solar cell اللي هي الخلايا الشمسية was invented and tested by which one? Which is the answer, do you think? Okay, Abdullah Rashid.
A.
Okay, let's see your answer. Very good, Abdullah. Of course, A. Hassan Kamel al-Sabbah in 1930. And number 5, the law of gravity was discovered. قانون الجاذبية, gravity اللي هي الجاذبية يا شباب, was discovered, تم اكتشافه. Okay, let's listen to Anas. Okay, Anas.
I.
Let's see. Very good, Anas. Thank you. By Isaac Newton. Yes, Isaac Newton means Isaac Newton in art. Okay. Radioactivity was discovered. Radioactivity اللي هي الأشعة الخاصة بالراديو، أشعة الاتصال. Okay. محمد رضوان.
By Ibn Sina.
Okay, let's see it.
By Marie Curie. Sorry, Marie Curie.
By Marie Curie in 1903. Okay, guys. And number 7, the telephone was invented. Okay, Abdullah Rashid.
J.
Okay, let's see. Abdullah. J, yes, by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Thank you, Abdullah. And number 8, the first printing press was أول صحف مطبوعة كانت اوكي أنس.
Number C. Made in 1440.
Yes, 1440. Very good. Thank you. And next one, the ballpoint pen اللي هو القلم الحبر يا شباب. Ballpoint pen was made famous. قلم الحبر الجاف was made famous. كان مشهور أو أصبح مشهور يعني. Yes, يوسف فهد. Yes, Yusuf, your answer. Yusuf, are you here, Yusuf?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know that ballpoint pen was made famous? Do you know the answer?
I'm just checking out the answer so I don't pick one that's like copied.
Again, Yusuf?
It was made by Ibn Sina, 930 to 1037, a Muslim philosopher, physicist, and scientist.
Okay, let's see your answer, right or wrong. Sorry, Yusuf, it's F, by a Hungarian Ladislas Piro. Okay, and the last one.
I was talking about the author. Sorry.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. No problem. Okay, number 10 and the last one. The Book of Healing and the Canon of Medicine was authored. Yes, with the last one B by Ibn Sina, a Muslim philosopher and physician and scientist. Okay, now guys, you can listen to the ads and match. Listen to these ads إعلانات ديت and match them. Okay, listen.
Sunray gives you the most wonderful suntan while protecting your skin all day long against the wind and harmful rays of the sun. Use Sunray for utmost care and protection. Recommended by dermatologists all over the world.
2. When you're feeling tired, hot and thirsty, there's nothing more invigorating than Sparkle. It's cooler than an ocean breeze, fresher than a mountain stream, and it has a delicious, refreshing taste. Try Sparkle now.
3. Do you have a splitting headache? Are you suffering from a toothache? No Ache will take away your pain, and you will feel better immediately. Why don't you try No Ache and get rid of your aches and pains almost instantly?
4.
When the kids got home from their camping trip, their suitcases were full of dirty clothes that smelled bad. I just threw all the clothes into the washing machine, added a measure of Spotless, and just look at them now. They're clean and spotless again. And they smell great, too.
Okay, guys. Number 1, Sunday, or Sunray is with B, a lotion used to protect your skin. Number 2, Sparkle. Who can answer this? Okay, Muhammad Radwan. Number 2.
يا أستاذ الفصل قال إنه مو قادر يدخل الحصة.
Again. Okay, Anas. Anas.
Sparkle number D, a soft drink that provides a lot of energy.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Anas. And Nuachi is number or letter A, an effective painkiller. لو مسكن ألام. Spotless, last one, is a soap that removes dirt and leaves a nice fragrance smell. Okay. Now pronunciation. Okay, let's listen.
Read the text about advertising. Find examples of consonant plus vowel and consonant plus consonant, and practice reading them aloud. Consonant plus vowel.
The best ice cream. The most expensive bag. It was introduced in 1957.
Consonant plus consonant.
The cleanest teeth. In contrast to the standard bike, a specially designed dolphin food.
Okay, guys, who can read them? The first one, consonant plus vowel. Okay, Yusuf.
Okay. The best ice cream.
Yeah.
The most expensive bag.
Yes.
It was introduced in 1957.
Thank you, Yusuf. And consonant plus consonant. Who can read them? Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Another one. Okay, Anas.
The cleanest teeth.
Yeah.
In contrast to the standard bike.
In contrast to. Okay, try to get the two letter T sound into one only sound. In contrast to, okay?
Contrast to the standard bike.
Yes, last one.
Especially designed dolphin food.
Yeah, design dolphin food. Okay, thank you. About you, in pairs, ask and answer the question, then switch roles. Okay, we will skip this. And last lesson, lesson 8, conversation. Find and underline examples of consonant and vowels and consonant and consonant, and practice reading the conversation in pairs. Let's read or listen the conversation first.
Hi, Omar. What are you up to?
I'm turning off my alarm.
What on earth is that?
It's the new flying helicopter alarm. It runs on rechargeable batteries. It's the best alarm clock I've ever had.
How does it work?
You see, the top part, in other words, the flying part, is placed on a base. The alarm is set, and when it goes off, the top part flies off the base. It is made to fly in order to make you get up, catch it, and put it back on its base.
And why is it here?
Well, you know how it is when you have a lot to do at work and you also have to attend meetings. I don't have an assistant, so if I am working on an important project, I forget. The flying alarm can solve the problem. I set it in time for any meeting or conference that I have, and I don't have to worry. What do you think?
Your ending. What do you think Adnan answers? 1.
What a great idea for heavy sleepers.
2.
What a crazy idea. If you don't hear it, it goes on flying.
3.
What does the boss have to say about this?
4.
Your idea.
Okay, guys, who can answer this? What do you think Adnan answered about this flying helicopter alarm? Okay, Yusuf? 1, 2, 3, or you have another idea?
What a great idea for heavy sleepers.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. And here are some expressions which we use in real talk, but in informal way. Okay, we use this for informal way or in informal speech. يعني بنيجي نتكلم يا شباب كلام الغير رسمي اللي هو between friends and relatives. Okay, we can use this expression. Expression 1, what are you up to? Which Adnan said to Omar. What are you up to means what are you doing now? And another expression, what on earth is that? Means what on earth means expression to show surprise when asking a question. يعني what on earth بنستخدمها لما يكون في عندي اندهاش من شيء. Again, what are you up to? What on earth? Who can repeat them? Who can repeat them? مين يقدر يكررهم يا شباب يعيدهم؟ Okay, عبد الله الراشد. عبد الله.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Abdullah. Read them again.
What are you to? You up to?
Yeah.
What when years?
Yes. Very good, Abdullah. Thank you, guys. And now about the conversation, here is in your own words, explain how the flying helicopter alarm works. How it or how this invention or this gadget work. ازاي بتعمل. As mentioned here, the flying helicopter alarm is placed on a base, placed on this base, توضع on this base بهذه القاعدة. When it goes off, it flies, so you have to get up and catch it. Okay. عند الإنذار بتلاقيها تطير and you have to. وانت بتضطر ان انت تجيبها او تمسكها عشان تحطيها تاني في مكانها. Okay. Now your turn. Describe to your partner some unusual new gadgets you have seen or read about. First, complete the organizers with the necessary information. Your partner expressed disbelieving using the following expressions. Some of these expressions is it's awesome, incredible, يعني غير معقول, لا يصدق. I've never seen anything like it. ما شفت الشيء زي ده من قبل. And it makes you wonder what the gadget is called, what the gadget looks like, how the gadget works. نشوف أي أدوات كده بنستخدمها تكون مدهشة. Okay, these are some of these gadgets. I found cordies. Cordies is this one. Okay, this cordies looks like multiple color plastic gadget, includes 5 stacking core rubber grips with 4 slots. Here is the photo of this cordies, which we use to organize or arrange our cables. Okay, how did the gadget work? It's a desktop cable management system that allows you to arrange various computer cables and mobile phone charger in one deck. Okay, you can write about the following gadgets. Here are some other gadgets like one pot, 2 lives. This you have 2 things in this pot, plants, and you can put, for example, fish. And this one, foot hammocks. This one to rest your legs, and the last one, mini fridge. Okay, your homework page 41. Thank you for listening and see you next lesson inshallah. Goodbye guys.